to the house tour part 1 and आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं from a place जो आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है. Maybe आपने सिर्फ एक part देखा है, but I'm so excited to show you the house tour. I am so happy we are finally doing this. Thank you so much first of all for all the wishes क्योंकि आप सबको पता है ये मेरा पहला घर है. So thank you so much for giving me your blessings and wishes and actually इस घर का credit भी आप सबको जाता है. You guys have supported me for the past 15 years and there's a long way to go and we're gonna grow together. And now let's go see my room. We're gonna start with my favorite corner. This is my collection. मुझे बहुत पसंद है collect करना some unique pieces. There's the small bag which is like everyone thinks कि इसमें क्या आता है, what all can you put in it. You can put one lip gloss and that's all you need sometimes. And then we have some of the collectibles from all the trips that I do. मेरे बचपन का सपना था कि मैं इसे अलग अलग बैग्स कलेक्ट कर पाऊँ. I really love fashion. I really like styling myself, have fun, experiment. So this is the corner dedicated to that. And then there's some special things like those shoes which are my favorite, absolute favorite. They're amazing. All my glasses are set here. Like look at that. Black shades. My favorite. Black sunglasses तो आपको चाहिए ही अपने collection में. And then कभी-कभी you're like आपको sunglasses भी पहनने हैं but you want to do something fun like with this look. I think this would be such a cool look. Hey. So all my glasses are set here, organized. And मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि ये ऐसे ही organized रहे. You know जो videos आते हैं जो ऐसे home organizing, I really like watching them and then I try to organize everything. These are some more of my glasses that I love. Ooh. Let's wear one more shade because why not? Epic. But they actually यहाँ पे बचपन से लेकर अभी तक all the sunglasses that I own are here. So there's some which are like mini, एकदम tiny because when I was a small kid that time also I really liked sunglasses. Let's move on to this. So I'm actually learning how to play this even right now. This is an acoustic guitar, this is an electric guitar and I just love the way this looks. It's so pretty and मैं जब भी देखती हूँ मुझे बहुत ऐसे rock star feeling आती है and I try to learn as much as possible. मुझे जब भी time मिलता है I try to learn. It just makes me feel really happy and I see it in my room. It just makes me feel like okay I have to learn and मैं chords सीख चुकी हूँ but अभी मैं गाने बजाना सीख रही हूँ. Chords I'm learning. Already there a little bit. Now, ta-da! This house actually हमने खरीदा था 2 साल पहले and then जब हमें ये finally घर मिला उसके बाद we were designing this house for 6 months and I was part of the designing process throughout. मुझे कुछ चीजें चाहिए थी जो particularly मुझे यही चाहिए था. मुझे उस रूम में ये करना है, इस रूम में ये कलर करना है. I love that process. मैं कितना कुछ सीख पाई in fact interiors के बारे में. And this wall dedicated to my love for traveling. आपको ये पता ही है. This was actually my home interior person's idea because she's also like an Anushkian. So she designed my house and she was like, you are so into traveling, I think you should have in your room this beautiful map. So as soon as I wake up, the first thing that I see is the world map. And then I'm like, where next? Where can I go next? I feel really nice. And here is India. See how beautiful it looks. I love it. I love it. Then there's this one. This little buddy who's taking care of my speaker. ये यहाँ chill करता है. Just he's the DJ here. And we have these little collectibles. We have this candle which is from LA. This is actually gifted by my best friend Ipshita because I'm a Leo. I love this. This is like me manifesting love. This is from London. मुझे वो जो छोटे-छोटे boutique shops होते हैं वहाँ से collect करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है चीजें like collectibles and maybe there's an art piece or a candle or like these little elephants. There's a perfume also here. Then we have my bookshelf. Right now, I'm really into reading like mysteries or psychological thrillers. So right now, I was reading the Housemaid series. मैंने 3 book 2 महीने में खत्म किए. 2 months, literally. This is addictive. I now get it. And right now that I want to read is Wuthering Heights. Look at how beautiful this book is. So pretty. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but the cover is actually pretty. And this is a classic, so I'm really looking forward to reading this before the movie comes out. And this is my Polaroid camera. I take this with me everywhere I go. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैं ये Polaroid camera लेके जाऊँ हर एक अलग-अलग countries में जाके. I just take pictures of me, my family, my friends, anything that I find cool. So I feel like a photographer. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि just collecting memories and I have a photo book उसमें मैं डाल देती हूँ. I think you guys have seen it in my life, but आज मैं मेरा Polaroid book. And look at how beautiful this camera is. बहुत vintage, बहुत ही like ऐसे feels आते हैं. Feel really nice when I use this camera. More books. I have lots of kinds of book. I have real life Korean conversation for beginners. A very important book जो मुझे help करता है when I'm in Korea and I try to learn the language as much I can. And then I have this book called Manifest. I think आप सबको ये पढ़नी चाहिए. It actually tells us about manifestations, how it works, how you can help yourself manifest your goals. Just give it a read if you can. What else is interesting here? There's so many self-help books. Psychology of Money, and then we also have some really like cool romance stories which are really nice. So this was it. And then we have this little cutie right here. This is actually gifted by one of my stylists, Anna, on my birthday. Look how cute is this. Aww. I love it. So ये corner है and they take care of the whole room. I love soft toys by the way guys. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Now this I will open and show you. Look at the view. The view is stunning. I just love standing here sometimes, play the music and बस यहाँ मैं pray करती हूँ या मैं गाने सुनती हूँ. अच्छा लगता है just देखना. और मुंबई शहर इतना खूबसूरत है. It just feels so beautiful when you see out the window. You see the city lights. I just feel like this is a place where I can manifest and pray. You can see the view is so beautiful. You can see the mountains. यहाँ से sunrise भी दिखता है. कभी-कभी चांद भी दिखता है. In fact 2-3 दिन पहले it was full moon and the moon looked so beautiful. I have to talk to you about the curtains. I'll tell you why. I fell in love with these curtains when I saw them because they're so different. I wish आप feel कर पाते इसको, but it is very like a different kind of a material. And there's these beautiful hearts made all over the curtains, which I love. And I was like, I really want this. I really want this. And back then they were like, no, maybe we don't have it for the whole room. I think वो खत्म हो गया था or something. But then I found it and then I got it. So when you shut this in the morning, जब धूप आती है, the sun rays are like very minimal, but you can see this. This looks so nice. Obsessed. Now I'm moving on to the favorite part of the room. The coffee booth. The coffee booth is actually maybe in the kitchen or it's an extension of the kitchen. But मेरा जो coffee booth है जो आप सबको बहुत पसंद है Instagram पे आप देखते हैं मेरे reels में वो actually मेरे bedroom में है. Because I love waking up to the aroma of coffee. अब पता चला ना मैं कितना seriously coffee पीती हूँ. This is the coffee booth. I love the design of it. It's like a little cafe space. That was the intention to make like these little pillars. And मुझे mugs collect करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can see one says Mumbai, which is a shout out to Mumbai city. This is actually from Ohio, a very special mug which is gifted by Ken Lewis. I love that mug so much. ये मैंने और मेरे best friend ने बनाया है एक pottery class में. There's the date also here. Somebody's home. There's the date also here. और वो Boston में, so I miss her. और उसके बाद उसका mug है, मेरे पास मेरा mug है. So then, on FaceTime we just drink our coffees and feel like we're drinking the coffee together. Then there's this. It's from my campaign. Everybody knows how iconic this mug is. I love it. इतने सारे हैं मेरे पास. I love this one, which is fully bedazzled. It's from Hard Rock Cafe in USA. और वो trip बहुत special था मेरे लिए. And I really wanted to get like a bedazzled mug. Ooh, there's this one which is from Tanzania. I love it. जो भी आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, they're actually from different parts of the world. I have to show you this is from Central Park in New York. मुझे friends बहुत अच्छा लगता है and we went to this place which is an experience center जहाँ आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप friends के set पे हैं, which is amazing. Then this is from Korea. I've not actually ever used this because this is so special. This is a limited edition. कोरिया को dedicate करके उन्होंने बनाया था ये collection and I just like to keep it with me and I remember Korea because it's like second home for me now. This is my coffee machine. मुझे हमेशा से यही coffee machine चाहिए थी because it's so cool to look at. It's very easy. It's an automatic one. Bean to cup. It's very simple to make. Just buttons and you're done. Then you have the whole coffee collection right here. This is also, आपने मेरी photo देखी होगी ऐसे. So it's all from here. I have coffee from different parts of the world again. There's one from Africa. Then there's from Ohio. My Blue Tokai, India. I love it. There's so many actually. If you see, there's one from Korea right here. This is so nice. And then there's also maple syrup and vanilla syrup. जैसे आप अगर कुछ बना रहे हो, for example, pumpkin spice latte, Ooh, the vanilla latte recipe that I posted on my reels and आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा था, so I keep collecting syrups as well. And yeah, I just love coffee. I love collecting it. So that's there. So this was the coffee booth, guys. I hope you like it. I love it. And this wall, I am obsessed with. मुझे blue बहुत अच्छा लगता है and look at this light. It's so magical because of these little particles here. They're so beautiful. You must be wondering where's the restroom. Right there. And then it just seamlessly closes and makes me feel so nice. Here on my bedside table, I have my iPad because sometimes I like watching something later at night, maybe like a documentary or a cool YouTube video. I'm always watching something like TED Talk or something before I go to sleep, or a manifestation video, or something that makes me feel calm and happy before I go to sleep. So my iPad is here. Then I have some fragrance self-care station right here, which is my little me time situation. Then मुझे actually चश्मा है. I hope you guys know that. So I'm a chashmish. So that's why we have two of those right here. Currently reading The Striker. It's a fun one. Then all my Polaroid and everything is right here. Polaroid book, which I keep collecting. I love it. Look at that. This is from my birthday from this year. This is me and my dad, me and my mom. I love. ये मेरे birthday photos है जो इसी room में लिए गए हैं. Look at that. This is me and my fans from Jakarta. See how beautiful that is. ये दिन मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. Actually, one of the best fan meets ever was that. So this was taken in Jakarta and मैं गई थी मेरे Indonesian Anushkins से मिलने के लिए. I loved it so much. That experience was one of the best ever because there were about 3,000 people and आप सब जब अनुष्का बोल रहे थे and then making hearts, these hearts and this heart and everything. Then I took this Polaroid picture right there. This is one of my most favorite photos. Oh my god. I will never ever forget this day. So ऐसे मेरे पास 2-3 books हैं. I collect my camera with me everywhere. I take it with me everywhere. And ये books में मैं store करके रखती हूँ मेरी सारी memories. I have my journal here. Can you see this? 2 more of these right here. I love it. I love this corner. This is the corner which is like my me time. When I'm winding down, मैं मेरे shoot से आती हूँ, travel करके आती हूँ, and then when I come back home, this is my space. Bruno and Sindra यहाँ होते हैं, and it just makes me feel really nice. Okay, guys, so this was the room tour. I hope you like it. I love spending my time here, and this is a very, very special place for me. This house is really special for me, and you guys wanted to see the house tour, so this is just the first part. Stay tuned for the second part.